Ever felt like your Canva designs were missing something? Did you know you can upload your own fonts? That's right, you have the power to completely customize your creations. Say goodbye to the boring default options and hello to a world of unique, eye-catching typography. With custom fonts, you can make your designs truly stand out and leave a lasting impression. Welcome to SciTech Skills. Today we are going to learn how to unlock the power of custom fonts. I will guide you through the simple process of uploading your own fonts, from choosing the right file format to seamlessly integrating them into your designs. Let's create stunning visuals together. Before we dive into the upload process, let's talk about fonts. The key ingredient for truly unique designs is the perfect font. Luckily, you have options. Whether you're on a budget or ready to splurge, there are fantastic resources out there. For free fonts, Google Fonts is your best friend. They have a massive library of high-quality fonts, all completely free to download and use in Canva. Check out the link in the description below. Feeling fancy? Consider Creative Fabrica. They offer a subscription plan with incredible fonts at a very reasonable price. You won't break the bank, but your designs will definitely stand out. Check out the link for Creative Fabrica in the description as well. Let's head over to Creative Fabrica's font library. Once you're there, look for the Display Fonts category. This is where the real magic happens. You'll find a ton of fonts that are perfect for adding a unique touch to your designs. I'm going to pick Miracle Groovy. It's got a fun, playful vibe. Click on the font image to see more details and download it. Since I have a Creative Fabrica subscription, I can download it right away. Just hit that download button. Locate the folder containing the downloaded font zip file. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All. Choose a destination folder or leave the default option and click Extract. The extracted files will be in a new folder within the same directory. Inside the folder, you'll find two files with identical names but different extensions, OTF and TTF. These are simply different formats for digital fonts. Both formats are widely supported, so you can use either one in Canva. There is one prerequisite to upload the fonts in Canva. Either you have Canva Pro subscription or you have free trial enabled. To upload custom fonts in Canva, you'll need a Canva Pro subscription or be using the free trial. Custom font uploads are a premium feature. Canva Pro offers unlimited custom font uploads, while the free trial lets you try it out before subscribing. Alright, so we're in Canva. See that brand tab on the left side? Click on that and then choose Brand Kits. Let's get started. As you can see, there's a pre-existing default brand kit. To create additional brand kits, simply click on the Add New button. For this tutorial, let's work with the default brand kit. Click on the brand kit. Scroll down until you see the Fonts section. On the right side, click Add New. From the drop-down, select Upload a Font. Then click Choose Files and navigate to the folder where you saved your downloaded fonts. Once you've selected the font file, OTF or TTF, click Open to proceed. You'll then encounter a disclaimer. Confirm that you have acquired the font legally and have the necessary rights to use it. Click Yes, Upload Anyway to proceed. Your chosen font will now be uploaded to Canva. A sample of the font will be displayed, allowing you to preview its appearance. Let's open a Canva template to test out our newly uploaded fonts and see how they look in real-world designs. To apply your new font, go to the Text tab on the left, add a heading, and then select the text. Look for the Fonts option in the top menu bar. Scroll down to the Uploaded Fonts section and choose the one you just added. That's it. The font is now applied to your heading. The rest is up to your creativity. Experiment with different fonts, styles, and sizes to find the perfect combination that suits your design. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment with your favorite font and check out my other videos for more Canva tips.